Hello, Jill and Noelle. This is Dave from WebGarden. I'm here today to talk to you guys a little bit about how to use the new appointment page on EverVeda.com. So you'll notice that I'm actually here on the new appointment page right now, and what I want to show you is how to edit all of this stuff in the left-hand column. You'll notice that there is a page intro. Um, I tried to enter some text that I thought maybe would be appropriate, but feel free to edit it as much or as little as you want. You'll also notice these little accordion sections, um, and those will expand and contract, and you can actually create as many of those as you want. Alternatively, if you would rather have all of this intro stuff in an accordion tab, I can show you how to do that as well. So the first thing that we're going to want to do, besides being here on the EverVeda site, is to log in and go to the dashboard. I've already done that, so let's just head on over to the dashboard. If you haven't done that yet, you might want to pause this video and log in and get here to the dashboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down on the left-hand side in this left-hand main menu. I'm going to go to Appointment Page. There's a small cog next to it. You'll notice here in the top box that there is a title, and then all of this text here. That is the intro text that corresponds with this section. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that there's this other area called Appointment Page Sections. And if you scroll below that, you'll see all of the different sections that I've created so far. You'll notice that they are, when you see them here, they're in code. Don't worry about it. It's really not a big deal. You don't have to type things up in code. This is a visual editor. So let's say you wanted to add another section called Promotions, perhaps. Or Current Promotions. How about that? So we're going to give it a title. This is the title that will appear for one of these little accordion blocks, just like seasonal info, get the MindBody app, and more about MindBody. And let's say you guys want to offer, a 20% off for first-time customers throughout the month of October. You might want to put in other details about the coupon and what it applies to, but let's say that's the whole promotion, and you want them to call for details, something like that. So anyway, the last step here, once you've entered any data, is you want to just click Add Entry. You'll notice that this little wheel spins around, and then if you scroll down, you should see the latest section that you input. Now here's what's really cool is you can, let's say you want to take this and move it right up beneath seasonal info, and we'll scooch get the MindBody app and more about MindBody down one space. That is totally valid. You can reorder these sections however you choose, no matter what order you entered them in. And now I'm going to go ahead and reload the appointment page, and you'll notice that our current promotions little item got inserted right there where we expected it to be under seasonal info. I believe that is the end of this little tutorial. I'll talk a little bit about this space right over here just before I end the video, but the tutorial part is over. You'll notice here that I tried to give some instructions about how to use this little window. Again, I'm not super familiar with MindBody, so Jill, if there are other pages that you need to have here, we can explore some additional options. But basically what I did is I took the link from MindBody for the appointment scheduler, and that's what I input here. You also notice that you can get to the online store, you can look at classes, and you can also create an account on mindbody.com right here on your website without ever leaving. All right, that's the end of this little video. Thanks so much, Jill and Noelle, and please let me know if you guys have any questions. Also, if you want me to put perhaps an appointment link up here in the main menu, not a problem, really easy to do, but right now the only way to get to the appointments page is down here using this little Book Now button. So again, let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, I hope this works out well for you guys.